What are you doing? It's a red light! Wow. Are you serious? You looked right at me.
At first I was cutting out our voices altogether, so it just wasn't that interesting.
No, you turned right
hearing
there.
anything that I was saying.
Oh, jeez.
You know, having all these boring...
On the draft, and then Melody's in that pineapple outfit that we got her.
What pineapple outfit? What the heck, man?
What?
Somebody's trying to cut in front of me. I'm gonna save that clip. People trying to cut in front of me lately. I don't know what's wrong with them. This big
you think
vehicle.
People will be able to see a big white van, you know? Yeah, I downloaded the one that cut off from last night. That was crazy. That car came out of nowhere.
What about the one from earlier in the day?
That wasn't that white car, that white sedan.
Yeah.
That wasn't as bad.
Yeah, but the one...
I mean, I saved it, but I don't know. Like, it didn't look that close. Right? It was kind of rude.
Yeah, it was really rude, more so,
yeah.
But... What the heck? He did it again!
Mom and Daddy always did their for a crazy fool and say, I thank God
Dude.
they were there to see me.
Signal would help too.
What? What'd you say?
She didn't want to get out of the car. What are you doing, lady? You got a stop sign. You can just wait. Now what am I supposed to do, lady? What? What an idiot. It's a red light, asshole. Sorry, I did.
You outdoor barbecue, and it looks amazing. And now it is the perfect place for all of us to gather and have great times.
That was a red light.
About knee high and on the outside corner. Hundley drilled it. You throw Nick Hundley a fastball, even if it's not down the middle, he is liable to hit it hard. Now the infield comes in for Rodriguez, who swings and misses. That'll be a good catch.
Would you mind picking a lane, please? Thank you. There's no turn on red, dude. What are you doing? Oh my god. Blind leading the blind. Way to go. Seriously? We're doing 25. Okay. Jeez, what? What the hell? Oh my god. Jeez, stop.
This truck is she's not going to be able to get ahead of the white truck.
That's nice.
I mean, does she think she's part of him? I wouldn't let her in if I was the white truck.
Oh my God, go.
I mean, dumbass.
Nailed it.